This is all the grass that came back. This was completely dead. All this grass was dead. You can see it holds your cotton back, as you can see. But it's too late in the year to do anything about it. So I'll just worry about it next year. Crop's looking really nice. I think here where it's so yellow, you can see this little area here, so yellow. It's because I think it stays a little too wet right here in this draw. As you can see, there's a hill all the way around. So this whole area here is in the draw. And you can kind of tell, you can kind of see all the squares. By the sun shining down the way it is. This is when you gotta start keeping it wet, because all these, when it's starting to head out with all these flowers on top here, it starts shedding really easy if you don't keep it wet enough. So what you want to do is you want to keep it wet to where they all turn into balls. It has a very good fruit set. Like, this is my smaller stuff right here. If you walk out here a little ways, well, see right here, it's already pretty tall. Don't know if you can see how tall it is, but it's about right at waist height already. And it just gets taller further you go this way. Like right here. And if you just do this, you can see all those cotton balls. See how big they are? System's pressuring up. Razzie, you're silly. You're silly, Razzie. Yes, you are. Come here. Come on. Just got back from Lubbock, and now we had to buy some things for our cruise. And I bought some dog food, bought a bigger dog bowl for food. So the dogs won't run out of food. And bought some stuff, some shorts and stuff. So, and we bought some dog food. So that'll last them about 2 weeks. That's 50 pounds. He's a fatty. Bruce, you're fat. Bruce, you're fat. Anyway, let's get to carrying in the dog food. Really, there's a rabbit there? Don't know if you can see me or not. It's pretty early. The sun's just barely coming up. Got a good rain last evening. I got about a half an inch on my field here. And I don't know if it rained here at night, but it did at my house. Well, early in the morning, I believe in that storm right there did. Rained over at my place, so that's awesome. We're hauling bales again today. We're on load number 6. We're delivering 200 bales, so we needed to deliver 10 loads. So we're on load number 6. We're gonna do 3 today and 2 tomorrow. It takes 3 hours to go. Oh, feels low. Nice. Takes 3 hours to go there and back, so I'll just let y'all enjoy this morning's view by the storm here, because it's beautiful. If it'll focus. Come on, focus! Wow, it is not focusing for nothing. There it goes. 2 more trips and we got 200 loads brought away. So we hauled away 3 bales today, or 3 loads. Takes about 3 hours there and back, so that's a 9-hour day. It's right at 6 o'clock now, so we're gonna load up the trailer. We're gonna finish loading these couple of bales here, and then we're gonna drive to a different field where we got some more bales, and then load those, and then call it a day.